when I got the new Surface Pro, I skipped on the keyboard. I wanted to see if it was possible to get along without it without wanting to throw the machine every couple seconds when I was trying to type something. And I think there's been a lot of improvements lately. And besides, the new keyboard's like $150 or $160, which is a lot. So for some of us, we can send our emails on our phones and do everything else that we need to do on our computer. Um, so here's my test of that. I hope you guys like it. This is still a work in progress, and there's still a couple components that I need help figuring out how to do and would love community help with this. So I need your creative brains. So thanks. All right, so there has been a number of improvements to the keyboard experience, and I'm going to show off a little bit of those right now. So let's go ahead and open up Notepad. We can do this already. Notepad. Open Notepad. There it is. Okay, so if we wanted to type in here as it was, we'd have to I'd like to type a short sentence. Oh crap. I don't think that's right. There we go. Okay. Now inside of build 16, 215, and 226, there's a new keyboard, which I have been hoping for since I heard the news that they had bought Swipe. This is called Shape Writing or Shape Keyboard or something like that. So I'd like to write a quick sentence. Okay, and so up here where it says the wrong word, let's go right, and that's better. Okay, now there is another process which is really cool. You can use this little button right here. I'd like to write a quick sentence. And so they got the last part wrong, so let's do this. Delete that. Sentence. Now I think that's pretty awesome. One thing that we're doing at Tablet Pro, if you're doing any work on a tablet and you're trying to get this accomplished the same way that we are, there's a couple different things that make it really complicated. Number one, you're going to need some way to select text easier. So we've added this in quick to make that process a lot simpler. Now I've built this into the artist pad. Actually, all this is the assist pad, a custom assist pad. This top bar right here is a selection tool. So you can select one way or the other without having to move the cursor and then select. Let's see, what am I doing here? Okay, and then there's undo and backspace. So that could obviously be whatever you'd like it to be. And let's go ahead and just get rid of that whole sentence. Now there's also the ability to use just the typing or speech to text bar. It uses Windows plus H. Delete that. Plus H. Okay, well, you get the idea. Now, if you're doing, quick text messages or chat or Facebook posts or even email, this can work really well. There's still some things that I want to improve upon. I want a button that will call the keyboard. And I know that Windows needs to do some more work here. By the way, you can use the pen on this as well. And to get this, you just select that little one right there, and then I have it set there. You can have it go over here. In the more recent build, they changed the way that this moves, but I like it. There's also a little bit of a problem with it doing that. Also, it doesn't layer quite correctly yet, because I want to be able to do a full screen mode and have this layer on top. Currently it layers underneath, and so that doesn't work. And the last piece of the puzzle, I would love to work with some developers to make a text expansion app for the Windows Store, because I can't find a single one, and if we're going to do typing on a touchscreen, you need text expansion. So if anyone's interested, let me know. I'd be happy to partner with you to make something like that. Alright, that's it for this video. The video for the Surface Pro, the new Surface Pro for artists, the second video should be coming out within a day or two. And it's going to be actually extremely interesting. Very different than everyone is expecting, except for me. Alright, thanks you guys. Subscribe if you want to find out what comes next. And like if you liked the video. Thank you. Bye.